Welcome to Session 40 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study Unit 2 Mastery Assessment, Exponential and Logarithmic Thinking. The focus is to synthesize sequence, exponential, inverse, and logarithmic reasoning in multi-step problems. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Identify the function family before calculating. 2. Move between exponential and logarithmic forms. 3. Interpret inverse expressions in context. This mastery session asks you to move both directions, from exponentials to logarithms, and from logarithms back to exponentials. Fluency means knowing when to change form. For each problem, identify the family, domain, key transformation, and inverse relationship before calculating. A quantity follows a of t equals 600 times 1.12 to the t. To find when it first exceeds 1200, solve 600 times 1.12 to the t greater than 1200. Divide by 600, then take logs. T is greater than the log of 2 divided by the log of 1.12, about 6.12. If t counts whole years, the first whole year is 7. Now, reverse the model. If you are given an output a, solve a equals 600 times 1.12 to the t for t. Divide by 600, then use logarithms. The inverse expression, log of a over 600 divided by log of 1.12, tells the time needed to reach amount a. Your turn. If 2 to the x equals 20, which expression gives x? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Exponential and logarithmic forms reverse each other. Logarithms solve unknown exponents. Domain restrictions still matter in mastery problems. Whole number contexts require interpretation after solving. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video, and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.